All the Jamaicans living in America, stay back for 2 minutes, please. The rest of you, you can go. Meeting adjourned. All right, we have everybody. Come closer. So roof at top, floor bottom, and fun and joke aside, as a Jamaican living in the United States, answer me this one question. You feel safe? No, me come in peace, me no mean no offense, me no mean for ruffle no feathers, me no mean no harm. Me genuinely concerned. You feel safe? Passport with the blue eagle or passport with the blue eagle not. Green card or green card not. Visa or visa not. Documented or documented not. You no see no cause for concern? Alright. Me go want you follow me closely, because me go talk one language where only we will come from out yard can understand. When the Maroon them did out weaponed, out military than outnumbered, you know think I say there's a reason why them did survive. When Paul Bogle and Taki and Nani and Kojo and people did that run, you know think I say the reason why we know the history and now, because them did have somewhere for run go. Them could have eat and drink and live off of the land. Now go look in your kitchen pantry and look outside your window again and answer the question. You feel safe? As the great philosopher Adija Palmer would have said, and I quote, me no know about you, but me know about me. End of quote. As for me and my house, we hope you have a plan B. Hold on. You think I say anything be directly involved to be affected? You know hear about crossfire, wrong place at the wrong time and stray bullet. All me as a tone is this. Make sure say now look out of one eye. Watch your wire. Out of yard the on stay. Una have seed, potato slip, cassava stick. Una have yamed. Yo, take my foolish advice. Plant grung.